Today's episode is 60 reacts to Renaissance Nom snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, but she destroyed it. And this video has been requested by Tony Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 60. Sorry for not doing any reactions because there are 6 snoring compilations left for Samia to do. I'm going to react to Renaissance Nom snore gets replaced with number block 79's snore. Seriously, I'm sick and tired of this crap. It's freaking hell disgusting and gross. It sounds like a sick anime snore. But anyways, let's detonate it.
Just turn it up a little bit more.
Choni Wonky Wonmo. I had enough of you sick and snore replacements. Time to detonate you with a TNT. Yeah, that's what you get, weirdo. Well, the screen turned black. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 357.